Professor A.P. Bhardwaj here from Chandigarh. I am here to present you the third revised and revamped edition of my book Compulsory English, which is one of your most favorite books for the last 10 years, making it #1 bestseller for the last 10 years. Qualifying English language paper, as all of you know, is the most important essential requirement in the civil service examinations. Without it, you cannot qualify the IAS mains examination. And in the state civil services, judicial services, allied services, this is one of the most important determining factor in the final merit list. And prominently, 3 types of questions are framed in these papers. #1, questions related to grammar, questions related to vocabulary, and questions related to check the level of comprehension and writing skills. These are the 3 main components on which the questions are framed. Now, no serious candidate can afford to take this paper non-seriously, and no serious candidate can afford to skip this book, Compulsory English, with the market monopoly for the last 10 years. But I have seen a number of deserving candidates faltering in this English segment. Have you ever thought why? Have you ever tried to find out the reason? Why a number of deserving candidates who are otherwise competent enough to qualify the examinations falter in this particular segment? Why they are not able to master and command the basic concepts of grammar, and why they are not able to develop a rich vocabulary, comprehension skills and writing skills? The reasons are 2. Their inadvertent failure, unintentional failure to make well-directed, well-planned, well-prepared efforts in this segment, and their inability to stick to a one particular qualitative resource material like Compulsory English book, and hence they fail, hence they falter. If you get this book and stick to this book, I assure you that qualifying compulsory English language paper in the civil and judicial services and in the allied services and in the subordinate services will be a catwalk for you, will be the most easy task for you. Now, why this book is a must-read book? The reasons are many, but let me tell you and brief you about few most important reasons. The first and foremost reason is that it is the first specific and exclusive book till the date on compulsory English language paper. And it has 10 years unbreakable continuity and 10 years continuous acceptability in the market. It is the first sole and exclusive choice of number of candidates, hundreds and thousands of candidates who have already qualified and entered into services. It is the outcome of my 20 years classroom teaching, first-hand experience, first-hand interaction with the candidates, knowledge about the hitches and glitches. The material provided is the class tester, tried and trusted by hundreds of the toppers, read and recommended by hundreds and thousands of the toppers. The book is designed as a self-help tool, self-help book, covering all these 3 segments: grammar, vocabulary, comprehension skills and writing skills, that is composition skills, under 3 different headings. All the topics and subtopics have been explained as pithily and profoundly as possible. as intensively and extensively as possible. And the third revised and revamped edition introduces the students and provides them with the solved questions from 10-year previous year paper on comprehension, common errors, precis writing, letter writing, grammar and vocabulary, provided with solved answers key under different sections and subsections. Having gone through this book, third revised and revamped edition book, the students will feel that they have learned and they have mastered all these three essential verticals and components of compulsory English language paper easily and effortlessly. They will find it a clear, concise, compact, coherent and comprehensive source material, highly reliable and dependable, very effective and useful, and indispensable resource material. The only aim and objective in my mind behind writing this book is the maximization of the efficacy of the candidates, minimization of mistakes, and maximization of marks. Lucidity and brevity. Clarity and brevity are the running threads weaving the entire book. And I have tried to write it as precisely and concisely as possible. Superficiality and superfluity have been kept at bay. Verbosity and redundancy have been strictly avoided. The students will find it highly student friendly, pocket friendly, easily readable, presentable, and understandable. I hope the students will like it and appreciate as it is being liked and appreciated over the last 10 years, and again make it a #1 bestseller in the market and on the online portal. Thank you, friends.